Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Coloradobaddrivers DashCam channel. We feature only the latest and craziest road encounters caught on Driver's Dashcam. Make sure to stick till the end and write me your opinion about this episode. Cammer caught a road rage situation on his dashcam. Two drivers that were behind him tried to merge in one lane at the same time.
She running the light? You gotta be kidding me. Wow.
At the driving school, we were all taught to give a preference to the ambulance vehicle, but apparently this driver was sleeping in the class.
Oh dude! Oh come on! Oh my god, what a retard.
Some drivers have the urge to show off in front of others, and scenes like this one can be witnessed as well. Driver was distracted by something and he tried to enter a one-way street. Let's just say that it didn't go as smooth as he planned it.
Person's the wrong way. It's the wrong way. It's a one way. No seatbelt on, one way. See, she has to stop because the other guy had to go around and around the truck. You can't make this up. Toss it back. Of course. Left turn lane, he goes straight. Who was ate the light? God, this guy with no plates, doesn't signal. Of course. Didn't you? As soon as the light turns, like. Look at this guy. What is he doing? Go around the. The f is this guy doing? What the? Oh, no signal? Damn, that's crazy. Without showing you upset. Wow.
And this is why it's so important to stay away from your phones while driving. One moment of distraction is all it takes to cause an accident on the road.
E o Luiz, não avistamos nada dele? Ih, caralho! Caralho, pá! Que coisa!
Que foi?
Big accident right here, right in front of me. Because this guy wants to act like a jerk.
Oh, valha Deus, tem cuidado, filho.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Coloradobaddrivers DashCam. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.